Meaning of elasticized.
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 Elasticized. The term elasticized refers to the process of adding elasticity or stretchiness to a material, typically through the use of elastic fibers or bands. When a material is elasticized, it gains the ability to stretch and then return to its original shape. This can be useful for creating snug, form-fitting garments or other products that need to be flexible and adaptable to different body shapes or uses. Elasticized materials might include fabrics, waistbands, cuffs, or other components that require a degree of flexibility or adjustability.